Hello and welcome to WLX Technologies, guys. It is almost 2 o'clock in China right now, so it is over 2 o'clock and I'm going to unbox this amazing AUKEY 1080p webcam. It's a branded webcam. The stock came right from the original factory. This is the model number PCLM1H. So guys, we got about 1,200 in stock. Let's unbox. This is how it is packed, very compact, very beautiful. Okay, so let's see what's inside. Okay, there you go. It's authentication card. So this is a 24 months warranty card from AUKEY. Okay guys, let's check its user guide. Alright guys, so the user guide is in different languages, which is English, German, French, Spanish and Italian. So it is with 5 major languages. Okay guys, so the camera is built in with 2 dual microphones on left and right. One is right here, one microphone is right here, and one microphone is right here. And this one is the LED indicator, and this one is the camera. Right guys, so it is the specifications. Okay, so this is the user guide. Okay guys, so this is the USB cable. So guys, if you have a tripod, you can connect it with your tripod. So we see two microphones here. One is right here and one is right here. These 2 are the microphones, and this is the LED indicator, and this is the camera. It's high quality stuff. Alright guys, so we get Amazon stock every day for different items. We deal with mobile phone accessories, data cables, fast charging cables, PD cables, USB Type-C cables, lightning cables, lightning PD cables. We get mobile covers, we get computer accessories such as headphones, headsets, gaming keyboards, mechanical keyboards, gaming mouse, 4D mouse, 6D mouse. If you want to get more details, I would suggest you to open our website, which is cnwlinks.com. Let me repeat, it is cnwlinks.com. So guys, open our website and join our group. You will see details, product, great deals almost every day. You can scan our WhatsApp code and get in touch with via WhatsApp, or if you have got WeChat, you just scan our WeChat QR code and add our WeChat. If you want to call us, you can directly call our sales manager via this number. This is also our WhatsApp and WeChat number. Stay tuned guys. Don't forget to join our group, follow our page, and share this video with your friends who are dealing with mobile phone accessories and computer accessories. Goodbye for now.